Hello, everyone. Michelle Unger with Quality PC Training. And I wanted to spend some time today taking a look at the new Outlook interface and this My Day feature. So this is something that came out late 2023, early 24. And there are some things some things that are actually pretty interesting about it that I would like to kind of go over with you to see if you could use them to maximize your productivity. So the first thing we have here is right over here, this check mark right here. That's how you get to the My Day feature. So I'm just going to click. It's actually the To Do button. So that is how you access that from your sidebar right there. And let's take a look at some of these features. So we have the My Day feature right here. And this is where you can add some tasks. So you can add simple tasks right to your My Day, and it will be added for today. So maybe I need to pick up some wine or something of that effect, and then I could simply click add. It will add that to my tasks. You can also mark things as being important. So if something is needing to be important that you want not to lose sight of, you can mark it as important. We also have planned. So these are date-driven and time-driven items that you would have. Any task that would be assigned to you or things for you to be able to do. Flagged email, which will come directly from your email messages if you flagged your messages. And then we are back to our tasks. So let's focus for now on our tasks. So we have our task list right here. And this is what's called grid view. So grid view is nice because you can see things in a nice, easy, compact way. But we also have list view that we can choose. So if I click on list view, it puts things in this type of view, which I can also very easily move things around just by dragging and dropping them. So this is a task right here that looks like it's overdue. So one thing I could do is I could click on it, and then I can change the date if I wanted to. So maybe I'm going to switch it to tomorrow. Now it's no longer overdue, like how I did that. And then other things I can do as well is I can see that I've got attachments here. I've got some different categories. I can do some sorts as well. So maybe I want to sort by due date. So if I click on sort, now I can sort by due date, and it's going to put things in chronological order for me. Perhaps picking up wine is very important. So I may mark this task as important. Now, if I go back up to sort, if I sort by importance, that is going to go to the top of my list. So taking a look at all of these different ways to kind of manage our tasks, it makes it a little bit easier, and you're able to sort things the way it makes sense for you. Now, there's also a grouping feature right here. So if I have categories, and I only have one category right now, I've got holiday party, but maybe the pickup wine is part of the holiday, right? So if I go ahead and I'm going to go back over to my task here. Let's see, there we go. So I can, first of all, I'm going to right click it because I can also create some additional tasks from this list, or I could make this part of that task. So if I right click and I create a new list from this task, so maybe I have other things I need to do besides picking up wine. So pick up liquor, pick up beer, and this could be a whole list of things having to do with the holiday party. So you see what I've done here is I went ahead and made that the holiday party list. All right, so then I'm able to have these items be part of that. So I'm going to go back to my day here, and I'm going to also show how you can just get rid of a task. So I'm going to click on that. Now it shows as completed. So I can manage some different things here. I'm going to go back over to the holiday party because that's where I have everything that I need to do for the holiday party because I had created a list with some subtasks. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you here, besides, again, going down to these categories. So this is listed as holiday party. These are uncategorized right now. So if I want to make them part of the holiday party category, a couple of things I can do here. I can assign a category to them, So if I go ahead and go back to my tasks over here and let me go back over to this holiday party. All right. So there's a category right there for the holiday party. And if I click on pick up beer and pick a category, I have the holiday party right over there as well. And I'm also going to do the same thing for pick up liquor, pick a category, and holiday party. So now all of those things are attached to that holiday party category. So now as far as my grouping, I can go ahead and group by categories. I'm going to go back to that my day and then my tasks. And you'll see, actually, I'm going to go to planned. So you see that my check emails is tomorrow. This has a range of dates, all having to do with the holiday party. So again, I can switch my views between grid and list. I can click on my holiday party and also do sorts. Maybe something is more important than others. So perhaps picking up liquor is important to be added to the day. So I'm going to right click, add this to my day, so that I can go over here and now I know that that is something important for me to do today. Hope this is helpful. Stick with us for more tips and tricks.